Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another episode of Gilly Talks, and this kind of just like, I don't know, like a rant video. Not really, but kind of, you know what I mean? It's not that serious, but yeah. I'm just going to be talking about some kind of, I don't know, is this serious? Yeah, it's a serious topic, but like anxiety and like stuff like that with starting out in professional schools, whether it be like medical school, nursing school, pharmacy school, or just, you know, plain old graduate school, whatever the case may be. Personally, I just want to share with you guys kind of like what I'm going through right now, because I am about to start pharmacy school in a few weeks, and just like how I'm feeling and all these crazy thoughts I have going through my head. And I'm sure a lot of people have the same thing going on as well, so I figured, you know what, let me just put this out into the atmosphere, share with you guys my thoughts and opinions, and you know, all that jazz. So if you want to stay tuned to see like what I have to say, just, you know, keep watching. But before all of that happens, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I will be doing a lot of videos about my journey throughout pharmacy school and all that stuff, you know, pre-pharmacy school stuff that I did. So if you have any questions and you'd like for me to answer them in that Q&A video that I'm going to do about, you know, applying to pharmacy school and all like that, please drop that down below. I do also have some, I guess, what's it called? Experience with medical school stuff, because I was also pre-med at some point, which is another video that I'm going to do. So be sure to drop those questions down below as well if you have them. But yeah, let me stop rambling on and get to this video. So if you guys have seen, I did a vlog and I moved to Salt Lake City for pharmacy school. I'm going to be going to pharmacy school at the University of Utah. Really great school. I interviewed back in January, and that was my first interview, and the moment I interviewed, I just knew this is where I want to go. I absolutely love the school, but mainly I love the faculty. I really like how they just seemed like they were super down for the students, and that's what they were here to do. Like, they were here to care about students and really make sure that we succeed. And that is definitely something that I need, because throughout the past like 6 years, I'd say, with like my undergrad experience and my graduate school experience, I felt like things could have gone better for me if I had more like support from the faculty, because that's something I was used to from like high school and middle school and basically everything before undergrad, because I had always gone to really small schools, and I've always had that, you know, super focused teacher attention. And I guess in some ways I was a little bit spoiled that like all my teachers always knew my name and they knew my family and like they knew my life outside of school and stuff like that. So to me, I felt like in undergrad and graduate school that kind of hindered me from doing well. Like, I don't know, that shouldn't have, but you know, sometimes like that change of environment, it takes a while to get used to. And I did obviously make it. Like, I graduated from undergrad, I graduated from my graduate program, but it was still a struggle for me. Like, I struggled a lot. And it was so funny because before both of those experiences, I was super excited to start school. Like, I was super excited to go to my undergrad. I loved my undergrad experience. No matter what happened, I would never change that for the entire world. And even graduate school, I hated every moment of graduate school. However, I was super glad that I did it, because it led me to the path that I'm on now. And without graduate school, I probably wouldn't have, you know, decided to go into pharmacy. But that's a whole other story for another day. So now we're here on this good Saturday, and I'm about like, what, 3 weeks away from starting pharmacy school, from orientation. And guys, let me tell you, I am as anxious as could be, just because I feel like, I don't know if it's just me, but when you're starting like professional schools like this is basically like the career you're gonna have for the rest of your life. And for a lot of us, we've invested so much time, energy, blood, tears, work. Like, this is serious stuff, and we have sacrificed so much stuff to be here. And now I'm feeling super anxious about starting, because I know what all of this means, and I know what is like on the line for me if like I don't do well. And I'm always thinking about like, oh my god, like what if classes are harder than I think they're gonna be? Like, I know they're gonna be hard, but what if they're just like hard to the infinity, you know? Like, and I'm just driving myself crazy with all of these crazy thoughts. and I'm not sleeping well. Like at first I thought I was jet lagged because like I, you know, went back 2 hours, but I've been here almost 3 weeks now. I'm going on like, yeah, almost 3 weeks here, and it's not going away. Like even today I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning for absolutely no reason. Like I had to force myself to go back to sleep, and it was crazy because I took a Benadryl last night because I was like, I'm sleeping in today because I'm off from my internship, and I was like, I'm sleeping in, but I didn't because I was up early as heck. And it's just like all these things just going through my mind, and I'm like, oh my god, am I gonna like my classmates, am I not? And you know, also I am in Salt Lake City. Like there's a lot of cultural differences between here and living in Florida, or even like when I lived in Philadelphia, because those are all really huge, like diverse cities. And while my school is very diverse, and I really like that about them, the city itself to me is not very diverse. So I'm starting to kind of have these moments where I'm aware that I'm like black, which is not something that I usually think about a lot, but it's just another thing to add to the list of things I'm thinking about all the time. And I probably will be like one of 2 black girls in my class, or black people in general. Like there are other people of color, you know, there's like a Middle Eastern girl and some Asian classmates of mine, but it's still, you know, like I'm still like black. So all of that's just like going through my mind, and I feel like it's driving me insane, which is why like I'm making this video just to kind of like release it, you know. And if any of you guys are feeling this way or have had similar thoughts or emotions, please let me know down below so that I don't think I'm crazy or anything, which I really don't think I am. It's just a matter of, you know, personal like feelings and opinions and things that we're all going through. But yeah, I know that was super rambly. I'm so sorry about that. I just needed to get all of that all off my chest, because it's just things that I've been thinking about a lot, and I figured it was better to just get it out than to keep it in, because keeping things in, you know, isn't good for you. But yeah, overall though, to end on a good note and not be negative Nancy, I am very excited to start pharmacy school here. I'm very excited for this new journey. Like I've been talking to some P2s and P3s at my internship, and they are super happy that they chose to come to this school. And a few of them, you know, they are from Salt Lake City, so it was just like being home, but a lot of them are not, and they were like, yeah, this was definitely a really good choice. And so that part I'm really excited about, and I'm very confident that I made the right decision to come here and, you know, finish my education. Hopefully this is the last education that I'll have to do, because I'm so over being in school. But here we go. Here's to knocking out the next 4 years. And if you're about to start professional school, you got this. Believe in yourself, girl, guy, whoever you are out there. Just know that everything's gonna work out the way that it's supposed to, and just don't give up. And just hold dear to your heart whatever you hold dear, whether it's your family or your friends, your hobbies or things like that. Just make sure you're taking care of yourself, because these programs can drive us crazy, and that is not the goal of these journeys. It's not to go crazy, it's to do things that we're going to be happy with for the rest of our lives. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it made some kind of sense. And like I said before, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get some more pharmacy school videos if that's something that you're interested in. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.